Namaste children, welcome back to Gurdeva online classes. Yes, my dear students, what we have discussed in our previous class? In our previous class, we discussed about the addition of three-digit number with regrouping. So, in that concept, we learned two methods, right? The first one is regrouping at the tens place and regrouping at the hundreds and also tens place, right? Yes. Today also I will bring one new concept to you. So first, before starting to that concept, once again we have to revise our previous class by doing these two problems. Come to the first one. The given problem is 397 plus 433. Right? So first you have to add the digits in ones column. Right? Yes, 7 plus 3 or 3 plus 7. What is 3 plus 7? 3 plus 7 is 10. It is 10 ones, right? So, this 10 ones, it is a two-digit number, right? So, you should regroup it. So, first, I am writing this 10 ones as a 10 ones plus 0 ones. Okay, see 10 plus 0 is again 10, right? Yes, already you know that 110 is equals to 10 ones, right? So, this is a 0 ones I am writing as it is. As children, write this 0 ones in the ones place. The next, carry this 110 to the tens column. So, I am writing the number 1 in a separate box. That is a carried number, right? So now come to the tens column. 3 plus 9. What is 3 plus 9? 3 plus 9 it is 12. 12 plus 1 it is 13. 13 tens, right? So it is 13 tens. Okay. So this 13 tens I am writing as a 10 tens plus 3 tens. Okay. See, 10 plus 3 is again 13 tens. Right? Yes. So, write this 3 tens. It is a single digit in tens column. So, I am writing 3 here. The next 10 tens. Already you know that 10 tens is nothing but 100. Right? So, instead of 10 tens, I am writing 100 here. So 100 I am writing in a hundreds column. Okay. So now come to the hundreds column. 4 plus 3. What is 4 plus 3? 4 plus 3 it is 7. 7 plus 1 it is 8. So write here 8. So which is our sum? 830 is our sum. Yes children. So this is the first problem. Now I will go to the second problem. The second problem it is like this. 473 plus 162. So first you have to add the digits in ones column. Yes, 2 plus 3. What is 2 plus 3? 2 plus 3 is 5. So write here 5. It is a single digit number, right? So I am writing as it is. Now I will move to the tens column. 6 plus 7. What is 6 plus 7? 6 plus 7 it is 13 tens, right? So it is a 13 tens. Okay. So it is a two digit number, right? So don't write the two digit number in a tens column. You always write only a single tens value. Okay. So, I am writing this 13 tens as a 10 tens plus 3 tens. Okay. So, write this 3 tens in the tens column. And already you know that 10 tens is nothing but 100. So, I am writing 100 here. So I am writing that 100 in the hundreds column because it is a carry number. So now 1 plus 4. What is 1 plus 4? 1 plus 4 it is 5. 5 plus 1 it is 6 hundreds. So students, which is our sum? 635 is our sum. Yes, my dear children. So this is about our previous class. So do you know which is our today's concept? In today's class, I am going to discuss about word problems. Okay. So first of all, what is word problems? Do you know that? Listen here. Children, look here. What is a word problem? See, look here. A mathematical problem that is stated in words rather than in symbols. Word problem means it is a mathematical problem that is stated in words or sentences rather than in symbols. So look here, in previous example they are giving the problems like this. Means they are giving the problems by using the numbers as well as the symbols, right? But in word problems they are giving the problems they stated in words or sentences. So that type of problems are called word problems, and these word problems also called as a story problems. So this is about a word problem. So this is about what is a word problem, right? Is now come to the second one. There are many names of addition. Okay, so already you know the addition, right? There are several names of additions. For example, look here. Altogether, total, in all, put together and sum. If you get these type of words in a sentence or in a problem, you can easily identify that it is an addition word problem. So these are a simple clue. Okay, they are giving one problem. So in that, if you get this type of words in a problem, then you can easily recognize that it is an addition word problem. Okay, students, now in this class I will discuss some word problems on addition. Are you ready to solve? So come to the first one. Let's see here, they gave one word problem. Let us see what it has. See here, in a cupboard there are 130 English books, 175 science books and 125 mathematics books. How many books are there in all? So in word problems you have to read out minimum 2 times. Okay, because they gave in sentences here. They gave in words. So you have to read the question at least two times. Okay, see here in a cupboard. So here is a one cupboard. In that it has some books. So what are those? 130 English books. So 130 in a cupboard, it contains 130 English books and also 175 science books. 130 English books, 175 science books and also 125 mathematics books. Okay, so how many books are there in all? See here in this problem, they asked to find out how many books are there in all. See here, in all they gave. In all means you have to add these numbers. The totally how many books are there? You have to find out how many books are there in all, in total or all together. So all are so correct. So first I am writing this word, I am writing in a sentence like this. See, the total numbers of English books are 130. I am writing like this, number of English books. How many are there? 130. So here also you have to write down in a correct proper way under hundreds, tens and ones column. So it will easy to calculate it. Okay, so 130 English books. So 130. See here, 130. 0, it is in ones, 3 tens and 1 hundreds. Okay, so next, the second one, science books. How many are there? 175. So write down here 175. The number of science books is equals to 175. Okay. The third one, 125 mathematics books. So number of mathematics books. How many are there? 125. 125. The next, what's they said to calculate here? They said to calculate in all. Means you have to calculate the total number of books. Means you have to do addition. So now I am adding these numbers. So see properly here. So first I am adding. So this is the symbol of addition because we are adding here. Okay. See here, the first you have to add the numbers in ones column. So 0 plus 5 plus 5. So 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. So in 10, 0 ones are there and 1 tens is here. So I am writing this 0 under the columns of ones. And I am giving a carry 1 to the next column, that is tens. So now you have to add the numbers in tens column. So what are those? 1 plus 3 plus 7 plus 2. So 1 plus 3 is 4. So 4 plus 7. So for the number 4 you have to add 7. So 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 2. 12, 13. So next 13. So it is how many 13s? 13 tens are there. So you should regroup it as 100 and 100s and 3 tens. Okay. So 100. These 3 tens I am writing under the columns of tens. And I am shifting this one to the next column, that is 100. So now you have to add the numbers in hundreds column. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. So which is our sum? 430 is our sum. So my dear students, in a cupboard the total numbers of books are 430. See here, the total number of books 430. So this is our sum. So after finishing this, you have to write down the conclusion statement. See, here is a conclusion statement. The total number of books in the cupboard are how many? 430 books. Now I will show another one problem to you. See here, the same problem, I changed only the number of books. Already I showed how to solve the problem. Like that you have to solve in your home. Only the change, I am changing the number of books. Like English, Science, Mathematics, you have to solve and find out how many total books are there. Okay. So now come to our textbook activities. It is in the page number 100. The exercise number 2.7. All of you open in your textbook. Open the page number 100. So see here. This is an exercise number 2.7. I am reading the first problem. All of you listen carefully. A vegetable seller had 152 potatoes and 126 onions. How many vegetables vegetables did he have altogether? So this is an word problem. See here, your friend, he went to purchase some vegetable. So he went to market. A vegetable seller, he had 152 potatoes. See here is a vegetable seller. Your friend decided to purchase some potatoes. So how many are there? The 152 potatoes and 126 onions. Okay. So how many vegetables did he have altogether? What they asked here, you have to find out how many numbers of vegetables are there with him. Okay. So altogether means you have to calculate the total number, means you have to do addition here. Okay. So first, how many potatoes are there? 152 potatoes are there. So I am writing here number of potatoes. How many numbers of potatoes are there here? 152. So we are solving the problem. First you have to write down the numbers under the columns of ones, tens and hundred, because we have 3-digit numbers here. So next, the total number of onions are 126. So the number of onions, how many? 126. So next, what they asked? The total number of vegetables. So the total number of vegetables, you have to find it. So first, you have to do addition. Come to the ones column. The given numbers are 2 and 6. So for the number 6, you have to add 2. So 6 after 7, 8. So write down here 8. Now come to tens column. How many numbers they gave? 5 and 2. So for the number 5, you have to add 2. 5 after 6, 7. So write down here 7. The next, come to the hundreds column. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So what is our sum? 278. What it is? The total number of vegetables. So the total numbers of vegetables, the both onions and potatoes are 278. So what is our next step? Write down the conclusion statement. So this is the very important statement. See here, the seller had how many vegetables? 278 vegetables in all. See here, the vegetable seller had 278 vegetables. Is it clear? So like that, I will give another one example. You have to solve in your home. Here is another one problem about again a vegetables. See here, I changed the numbers of potatoes and onions. So you have to find out how many vegetables are there in total. Okay, like that we did know the first problem. So in the same way, you have to do this problem also. So now come to the second and the last problem. See here, this is the second problem. Couple had bought a storybook for rupees 123 and a toy for rupees 75. How much money did he spend altogether? Okay, see here, couple. So he went to purchase some storybook and also a toy. So he went to one DMart. In that he purchased one storybook to read. Its cost is rupees 123. How much it is? Rupees 123. See here, this is the symbol of rupee. Okay, see here, and also he purchased some toys. Its cost is rupees 75. Okay, how much money did he spend altogether? See here, they asked to find out the total money. The how much the couple spent. What is the total money find out. See here they gave all together. All together means you have to add the two monies. Okay. So see here. Let's we find out the total money. The couple bought a storybook for rupees 123 and also he bought a toy for rupees 75. So let's we find out the total money. Total rupee he spent. Total rupee he spent means you have to add these two numbers. So those are 123 plus 75. The total 123 plus 75. If you add these two numbers, you are getting the total rupees. Okay. So first you have to write down the under the columns of hundreds, tens and ones. So here it is a 3-digit number. Here they give 2-digit. So first write down the 3-digit number, that is 123. 123. The next 75. It is a 2-digit number. Write down 75. So here the hundreds value is absent. So now you have to all together means you have to do addition here. First add the numbers in ones column. So those are 3. The given numbers are 3 and 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. So write down here 8 and come to the tens column. So 2 and 7 are the given numbers. So 7 plus 2 or 2 plus 7. Both are so correct. So 7 plus 2 is 8 and 9. So write down here 9. And in the 100 place only one number is there. The another one number is absent. So I am writing as a 0 here. So 1 plus 0 is 1. See here. What is our sum? 198 is our sum. So the conclusion statement. This is the last statement. Papul spent rupees 198 to the counter. So this is the second word problem. Like that, in the same problem I will give. You have to solve in your home. See here, the same problem I am changing only the cost or rupees. So you have to find out the total money or Papul spent, how much money he spent. Okay, you have to find out in your home. So until now we learned the word problems and its meaning and also some examples. Isn't it? I hope you all understood today's class. In the next class I will meet with a new chapter. Okay students, bye. Have a fantastic day.